Eco Green Ganesha has been a part of Big FM property. It's a property which we have been doing since the last 5 years. And it's one of our biggest properties, and we believe in doing this as a complete CSR activity, which is, basically not polluting the environment and doing our bit to protect the environment. We believe in doing this in 14 cities across the country, which is basically, starting from west to south, wherever Ganesha is a big festival. Not only, we celebrate the festival in a very big way, we really go green. Our RJs, for about a couple of months, they keep announcing on air. We urge people to go green, get green Ganeshas. And we do a huge newspaper collection drive across cities, go to people's houses, go to people's offices, get people to donate newspaper and come out with this beautiful green Ganesha cause, which is basically making Ganeshas out of newspapers and, then putting them in big high footfall areas like malls, etc. See, Bharti Cement is our title sponsor, and I think I've got used to saying this, but they've been one of our biggest supports across. They've been supporting us for all our activities coming in. They came in for a music awards and a whole lot of other awards earlier. And this time when I shared the concept of Green Ganesha, they were very, very happy about it. They were very keen to come in as a title sponsor. And as Mr. Ravinder Reddy said, that why as an associate sponsor we'll come in as a title sponsor, I think they are a wonderful organization that they believe in the cause and they want to go whole hog and really support it. And Tata Docomo has also come in as a powered by sponsor. They have been extremely happy about this cause, and when I met Mr. Ramakrishna, the chief operating officer, he said that I would be very keen to associate with a property like that. So I think it's amazing the way everybody's come up to support our cause, and it's a beautiful activity, and you will see our canter going around in the city the next few days, not only here in Hyderabad, but across different cities. And see, we have this canter which is going to be going around, plus our RJs are announcing every day, and we have, we're doing a whole lot of things. So we are involving not only the sponsors, their dealers, like for example, we're going to go to Bharti Cement's dealers and, basically get the collection of the newspapers from them. Then we're going to have people coming to Tata Docomo outlets and get paper collected from there. Then we're going to go to 21 RWAs, which is Residential Welfare Associations, and collect newspapers from there. We're going to go to Chiranjeevi's house. We're going to go to various actors and actresses' house, I won't say politicians, but at least some of the key people, and get everybody, right from the rich and the poor man to, be a part of this entire Green Ganesha activity. I love the Ganesha festival. I think being in South, I have Ganesha is my favorite god, and I've started doing this Green Ganesha. I do the Ganesha festival in my own house. I install a Ganesha Murti. I do puja religiously for the 9 or 10 days. And I love the festival myself. I think the message is to go green and, help protect the environment. Celebrate the Ganesha, bring lots of happiness and prosperity in your houses. And I wish each and every person everywhere a big green, I would say a happy Ganesha Chaturthi in advance. And may Ganesha bring you lots of happiness and prosperity.